Okay. We're just going to put her in some little bath water. Get her a little wet. Right? Yeah, we're going to get you all nice and cleaned. Yes, we are. We're just going to get you all nice and clean. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on. And we got to scrub his little feet. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yes, you have the cutest little face. The kittens are all about 2 weeks old. Yeah. 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 Boy, the water is really dirty. Yeah. 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 Okay. A nice warm bath. Yes, you got a nice warm bath. Here you go. Yeah. See, he's all nice and clean. She's all nice and clean, I should say. So here's little Sweeney Todd. He's gonna get his bath because he's pretty dirty and smelly. He came from a hoarding situation. So he's gonna get his little bath. Although he's screaming about it, he's not sure he wants one. I know. Yep. Okay. Alrighty, there you go. There's little Sweeney Todd. All cleaned up.